Hello, I'm Erin and I'm a PA, and this is Bonesy with 60 Seconds. We're here today to talk to you about some nutritional notes. As a PA, I want you to know that fresh is best. Fruit and vegetables have lots of fiber, water, and vitamins. Also, consider healthy homemade foods for everyone, not just mom and dad. If the whole family eats healthy, usually children will want to also. Consider cooking and prepping together, and hint, hint, children can do dishes. Consider shopping and planning ahead. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. If you plan your meals on the weekends, then you can have meals all prepped and ready to go for the week. Consider keeping low-fat cheese, yogurt, and fruits and vegetables on hand. Things like dried fruit are great for children, carrots, and broccoli or celery. Remember that pre-packaged foods, meals, and snacks usually are full of sugar, salt, and fat. Another thing to consider is eating whole grains. Things like brown rice instead of white rice, whole wheat pasta or vegetable pasta instead of regular pasta noodles, and vegetable or whole wheat tortillas instead of corn or flour tortillas are just a little bit healthier. Another thing is make mealtime fun. Everybody in the family eats together, gonna enjoy your meals together, enjoy some conversation. Bonesy and I actually eat together sometimes. One thing I have for you is a joke. Right, Bonesy? What did the skeleton say before eating? Bon appetit!